Hey cruisers, Mike here from Cruise Ship Explorers. There are a ton of cruise tips out there, but today we're diving into the strange, unexpected, and flat-out weird ones that rarely get talked about. These are the kind of things that can make or break your trip, and honestly, they're too good to keep to myself. Let's start with that balcony you paid extra for. It may feel private, but it's really not. Wind gaps, reflections in the glass, and gaps at the edges mean your neighbors could catch more than a sunset. So if you're thinking of sunbathing au naturel, maybe don't. Before you leave your cabin for the day, do a quick sweep. Your cabin steward will be in and out, and while they've probably seen it all, you don't want to leave out anything. Let's say, personal. Especially if you've packed something a little wild for the trip or managed to sneak on some booze. Speaking of which, yes, people sneak alcohol on board all the time. Worst case, they confiscate it and you move on with your day. On many ships, there are daily meetups for specific groups, whether you're LGBTQ+, sober, solo, or just looking for good conversation. Look out for terms like Friends of Dorothy or Friends of Bill W. in the daily schedule. They're low-key, but a great way to meet like-minded cruisers. Even in the Caribbean, pack a hoodie or something with sleeves. It gets surprisingly cold at night when the wind picks up at sea. Trust me, shivering on the deck in a tank top isn't a vibe. Menace on cruise ships? They're more of a suggestion than a rule. Want 3 appetizers and no main course? Cool. Want something from yesterday's menu? Just ask. The crew wants you happy and you'll be amazed what they can whip up. A hanging shoe organizer may sound ridiculous, but hang it over the bathroom door and boom, instant storage for sunscreen, glasses, chargers, even snacks. Your cluttered cabin will thank you. Cruise casinos love to mix it up. Beyond the usual slots and tables, look for coin pushers, cash claw machines, and other oddball games. Just remember, they look skill-based, but most are designed to win only sometimes. You can look up your ship's health and safety record before you even step on board. The CDC has reports on inspections and outbreaks. There's also federal crime data available by cruise line. It's all public, and it's worth a peek if you're the cautious type. One thing you'll notice, or maybe you won't, are the cameras. Cruise ships are loaded with them in all public areas. I've been up on the bridge, and you can see feeds from just about everywhere on the ship. No cameras in the cabins, of course, but on balconies. Sometimes reflections or camera angles pick up more than you'd expect. And finally, check your onboard account regularly. You can do it through the Cruise Lines app. I've had mystery charges pop up more than once, and if you catch it early, guest services can fix it on the spot. Hope you picked up something new today and maybe a little unexpected. That's a wrap on today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss our latest cruise content. Love all things cruising? Check out our new podcast, Cruise Ship Explorers, streaming everywhere with exclusive interviews from industry pros. We've got incredible guests lined up, from cruise staff to celebrity entertainers sharing their best stories and insider tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Cruise Ship Explorers, where every day is a sea day. Bye for now.